everyone, so I will show you the drainage hall here, guys. So I'm here inside, so I will walk there, but there is I'm scared because I'm here inside, so I'm just walking here over there. So inside the hall of the drainage. Oh my god, I'm scared. Here is it. So I will go the other drainage. Here. It's only 6 drainage here. So over there is 1 and here is 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I'm here and inside the wall. But I'm scared because it's here is have air inside. Oh no. See you. Bye bye.